Okay, then next activity, activity 1 from page number 96. Activity 2 from page number 96. In the first two units, you have learned about noun phrases. Noun phrases usually appear right at the beginning of sentence. Noun phrases usually appear at the beginning of the sentences. Underline these lines. They can also come towards the end of the sentence. They can also come towards the end of the sentence. Then underline the noun phrases in the subject position in the following sentences. You may also identify the head nouns in each. Here you can see a table. The table is divided into 4 columns, including noun phrase, relative clause, prepositional phrase, and verb phrase. Here the noun phrase is again divided into 3. They are determiner, adjective, and head noun. Shall we go through each of them in detail? Okay, first one, noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words which includes a determiner, an adjective, and a head noun. Example: the boy in the blue shirt looks smart. The boy. Okay, it forms the noun phrase, also called the subject of the sentence. The subject of the sentence is also called the noun phrase. The structure of this noun phrase is a determiner plus adjective plus a noun, the head noun of the sentence. Then a determiner. Determiner clarifies or describes a noun. Examples include the, those, these, that, these, etc. These girls are beautiful. The handsome man married today. The determiner these in the first example describes the noun and forms the noun phrase these girls. Likewise, the in the next example, the second example, it modifies the noun man. It modifies the noun. So the determiner describes or modifies the noun. A determiner includes articles, quantifiers, demonstratives, possessives, and interrogatives. All these constitute a determiner. And types of determiner. These all are the types of determiners. Then, relative clause. The clauses starting with relative pronouns like who, which, whose, when, where, that, etc. are called relative clause, and they are most often used to define or identify the noun that precedes them. Example: a notebook is a computer which can be carried around. Prepositional phrase. It refers to words that begin with a preposition but has an object at the end. The example: the clothes in the dressing room are gorgeous. The prepositional phrase in the sentence is in the dressing room. It gives details about the location of the clothes and also modifies the subject clothes. Next, verb phrase. A verb phrase can be defined as a part of a clause or sentence comprising a verb, and at the same time it describes more information about the subject. The verb phrase functions as a predicate of a sentence. Example: the girl is writing a letter. Is writing a letter is the verb phrase in this sentence, which is the predicate part of this sentence. And here we know a sentence is divided into 2 parts, a subject and predicate. The subject part is also called the noun phrase. In this sentence, the cat is sleeping in the sun. The subject is the cat, and this is also called the noun phrase. The subject is also the noun phrase in this sentence. In the predicate part, we have prepositional phrase and a verb phrase. He is sleeping becomes the verb phrase, and in the sun, which forms the prepositional part, prepositional phrase. Now, all of you look at the activity. Here, you are asked to identify the classes of words that are added before and after the head noun in the phrases. Which class of words are added before the head noun? Which are the words added after the head nouns? Identify the classes of words that are added before and after the head noun in the noun phrase and write your observation. Okay, the first one is given for you. The first example, the little girl, that comes under the noun phrase. The determiner is the, then little is the adjective, and girl is under the head noun column. Then here there is no relative clause, and prepositional phrase in this story becomes the prepositional phrase, and support him is the verb phrase. Support is the verb here. Here the determiner and the adjective modifies the head noun girl, the little. It modifies the head noun girl. Okay, now try to classify the classes of words from the other sentences. 4 more sentences are given here. You have to classify these classes of words and complete the table. You can write it in your textbook itself.